Mommy's struggling here.
Hey Flight Crew, we're building Legos today. Well, actually, Ashley's mostly building all the Legos today, but...
I'm the smart one!
You guys wanted to see us build Legos, so we're building Legos for Life Day with the Lego Star Wars Advent calendars. Hey Flight Crew, we're gonna open this Lego Star Wars Advent calendar.
This is forbidden.
What's forbidden?
It is forbidden. We're gonna open this now? It's not even December yet.
Well, this is for Life Day, so we can do it earlier.
Well, it's kind of cool. There's like little, even though I know it's not, it doesn't come with it, but there's like Kashyyyk trees, which are in Life Day.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Right? That looks like Kashyyyk. Yeah.
It's like the whole village. So that's fun, because again, Life Day, if you watch the original holiday special, took place on Kashyyyk with Chewie and his family. So if you guys are interested in buying one of these calendars,
We got ours at Target.
yeah, they're all over the place, but you got to buy one now. So if you haven't got one yet, we'll put a link in the description below so you guys can pick one up.
They sell out super fast.
Yeah.
I missed out last year because I thought about it for too long.
We have the Lego Star Wars Holiday Special, which is coming out November 17th. And this is pretty much from that special. On the back, you want to open it up and just cut the little tabs on the side, because then this thing flaps open.
See, this is what we were imagining they would do at Galaxy's Edge. Put some lights on the Falcon.
Put some lights on the
We
Falcon.
totally said that. Yeah.
Woo.
The Falcon's gonna get lit up any second.
Oh my god, they're going to string lights all across the Falcon.
We're
You
gonna be
just
like,
watch.
Surprise! We did bring Christmas to Star Wars Land. Boom!
Bam!
We're actually considering during Life Day, like during that video, we're gonna add our own Christmas lights on the Falcon.
Yeah.
You think they watched our special?
I don't know. It's
Do you
very
think
possible.
they watched our vlog?
Did you watch our holiday special?
So this one definitely goes with the new holiday special coming out because you see Darth Vader and Rey. Some people are curious, like what's in there? Like
Yeah.
what am I gonna get? They show you some of it, but not all of it. All right, it says 311 pieces are in here.
So a lot of you guys are always asking us, like, are you gonna build Legos?
This
And
is our first time doing
first
Legos
time doing
for
it.
Always Believe.
We're starting easy too, because these are like little builds. On the first day of Life Day, Ashley got a
bag.
She got a bag filled with Legos.
It's some sort of ship. I'm not too sure what ship it is.
She's not too sure what ship it really is.
I think it's an A-wing.
Can you help us, Goober? We're already struggling. We're only on the first Lego set.
How the heck is that sticking to that?
I'm pretty sure there's probably supposed to be extra. That looks great. Woo!
Alright.
It's Poe Dameron. So, you got Poe Dameron. This is
Oh, you
real
can switch
tricky.
his face so he can be angry or happy.
First, he starts off grumpy. You can't be grumpy in the morning and then also have your blaster.
You can't do this at the same time, guys.
No.
Don't do this.
It looks pretty cool.
He's got a little Christmas sweater with BB-8 on it.
Oh, I like that. Poe's getting his morning workout in.
Coffee maker.
It's a coffee maker. Kind of looks like Luke's home.
Did it?
Wow, 3 of them. Oh my god, it's been like an hour.
I think I did that pretty quickly.
You did that last one really good.
Yeah.
The
Okay.
first one was challenging.
Number
okay.
4 is you. I hope
Okay.
it's a ship.
Oh,
Please.
Luke Skywalker.
Look at all the good ones.
Yeah.
Luke Skywalker. There you go. It's gonna be cool, like, seeing these characters interact with their, like, younger selves. Or what they're gonna interact with, like, the younger versions of
It kind of looked like that from the trailer.
Yeah. He can look happy or concerned.
Oh.
Or he kind of looks determined.
Yeah, that's more of the right look for Luke.
Oh, his hair's so beautiful.
Oh, those are his binoculars.
I feel like I'm the kid getting all the coal for Christmas.
Oh my gosh, it's so many pieces.
alright.
I know what this is.
Is it the Razor Crest?
It is the Razor Crest. This is how the Razor Crest seems to be in most of the episodes.
That poor ship.
We've been realizing, like, watching the last episode, that, like, the Razor Crest is almost like the Millennium Falcon. It just gets beat up.
I always talked about, like, when we have kids, like, we're gonna celebrate Life Day too. We're gonna really go all out when we have kids, I think.
Well, I hope this special, like, kind of explains Life Day a little bit more so we can actually celebrate what the meaning of Life Day is, because I don't really understand it still.
There's a lot of pieces left for this one.
You forgot to put the hyperdrive back in, Ashley. Goober's passed out.
He tried to help for a little bit.
Yeah, mostly he was just trying to, like, grab all the pieces.
I think I did it.
That looks pretty good.
Okay. Stop. Okay, you guys are sitting down.
It's still in pieces. Got Star Wars socks on.
I wear Star Wars socks every day.
I love when Goober lays like this when he falls asleep.
Bloop, bloop, bloop. Wait a second. Oh no!
Oh no, did you put something backwards?
Oh darn it!
Our characters are like, I'm done.
I love that number 8. My favorite number was the X-wing. That makes me really happy. Who'd you get?
I don't think I
I'm
should-
so jealous.
I don't think I'm allowed. I can't
No,
reach
you
in
can
there.
do it, you
No,
can do
you
it.
got to do
You
it.
can do
Oh
it.
no!
That's okay.
It's Ray.
It's Rise of Skywalker Ray. Confident face. Angry face. Oh, what?
That's her lightning face.
Her lightning face. It's her lightning face. Give me my wig.
I think something happened to her.
Did I put her on backwards?
I think her legs are on backwards.
Oh no!
This is Darth Vader to her.
Yup. Aw, it's got a little lightsaber. She's the only one that's standing up without falling down. Alright, we're making progress. All the little Dio
Wow,
pieces.
he is really tiny. Oh, Dio. He's got a little hat.
11, so it's right there.
This is the Millennium Falcon. Just like the Razor Crest, it is in a million pieces. It's a little complex. I have no clue how Han Solo can honestly remember all the pieces to that Falcon to build it. Like, it is such a complex looking ship. So I got most of it going so far. I got the cockpit on, just put the satellite on. Now we're gonna put the engine on. He's in hyperspace right now. Falcon usually lands like this. Hey guys, I'm here. Got the porg.
Oh. That means I love you. Oh, it's a droid.
Oh, you got a Roger droid.
Mm-hmm.
A Waja droid.
Waja.
That's how my nephew called it. He used to be like, the Waja droid.
Blasto. Choo choo. Roger. I miss seeing that Roger lamp at lunch bay.
Oh,
He like turned his head into a lamp.
Oh, yeah, that's right. So it's like the episode 1 sort of base that Anakin blows up. Oh, nice. Looks really good.
Woo. Okay. Keep going. Number 16. It's a pod racer.
Anakin's pod racer. Also, Cobb Vanth's engine from his...
Forgets his engine.
Everybody was so excited. See, that's what's so great about The Mandalorian now, is all those little Easter eggs get people so excited because, like, you feel so invested in it already. Like, oh, I know what that is. That kind of stuff just makes people feel so much more connected to, like, what's going on.
Everybody loves an Easter egg.
Well, yeah. Everybody likes feeling like they know something that other people don't know, or they're, like,
100%.
included in the secret, basically.
Oh, yeah. This is kind of pod racing.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Put the grapple gun in the back and the 2 guns. Boom. I'm ready to take down an AT-AT. Or an AT-AT if you are old school.
15.
Where we have 15.
I have 15.
Oh,
There
you
you
wanna do it? Pop it open, Ashley.
Okay. I was like, this doesn't make any sense. Oh wait, this is backwards. I am like kind of relaxed by this, honestly.
Yeah.
I think like I want to do more Legos.
Really?
Yeah.
Hmm.
I wouldn't mind like working on something. The only thing is I don't know what to do with it afterwards.
That's the thing. Like that's always why I was not like a Lego person growing up. I visually like, and this is also why I'm so into like details with like costumes and building things. Is
Oh, the Legos aren't accurate at all.
they're not accurate. I want things to look like they actually look like. I don't honestly care for the visual aesthetic of Legos.
I honestly never watched Lego Star Wars anything.
Oh, yeah?
Because I was like, I don't see that. I'm like, it's for little kids. Like, it's not gonna be that great. Like, but then we started watching them.
Yeah, they're pretty funny.
And I was like, these are hilarious. Because I love the Lego movie. I thought that was so funny.
I had a friend once offered to give me like the entire Millennium Falcon, the big one, like built
Oh,
already. And I was
really?
like, I don't want that.
Oh, it's already built?
Yeah, he's like, I built this. I don't know what to do with it.
That
I'm
kind of takes
moving.
the fun away for you, though.
Exactly, because that's why I was like, I think the fun is really in building it, but not necessarily for me personally wanting to display it. On the 19th day of Life Day, are we done yet?
This would have been fun to do like one day at a time.
I know.
It really would have been.
Okay, honestly, yes, we've been building these for the past like 2 hours. Oh! You get to build the best guy.
What?
Ashley is building this.
His hips.
I was telling Ashley she was building it backwards, and then I realized she was building it facing that way, and I'm looking at the picture facing this way. I just noticed this sitting here that Poe Dameron has tossed a snowball and it's about to bop Darth Vader on the head. Because they're about to fight, it looks like, Rey and Vader, and Poe's just like, let me help you out. Oh, and this Porg scared the stormtrooper. He dropped his rifle. This is actually very comedic. I didn't realize it. I don't know who this is. This guy's kind of funny looking.
Okay, the tauntaun is done. Okay, we got an extra tauntaun horn. If you want to drink out of it with your friends.
It's complex. Yeah, that'd be fun. Ashley, do you want to build a snowman?
Oh, little Lego pieces. Oh, jeez, that took forever.
I was saying to Ashley before, the foam on the inside kind of looks a bit like snow because of like the texture and everything. I don't know if that's intentional, but it goes so well with the set.
That's exactly why we did that.
Ta-da!
Nobody puts their carrot nose in the thin side in. Do it this way, like
Maybe they
thing backwards in Star Wars.
Partsy the snowman.
Artsy. That's a stormtrooper.
Wow, the helmet's like really, really well made. That's like such a cool part.
Boop.
Boop.
Hey, you better like and subscribe to this video. Do it right here. There's a like button and a subscribe button, or else you're coming with me.
I'm a snowman. How about mommy? How about mommy and daddy?
We had to hire an assistant elf to help us building these Legos today.
I know, he is like a little... Oh no, he doesn't want to be.
He's like, my shift is over.
And then the cat destroyed the village.
There's always a beast in Star Wars that's attacking everything.
This is where I'm struggling.
This one goes here, that one goes there.
No. God. You love Legos? You love Legos?
This was Kylo Ren's ship, but I think it's Vader's castle because like the orange looks like the lava pouring out. It's like it's just glowing too much. Goober, your shift is not over yet, buddy. You got to keep helping us.
So
I'll take a picture of him. Watch it. Oh no! This is how we build Legos. We have our elf cat do it for us.
one time my mom told me, no cats on the table. And then I grew up.
And then I grew up.
And got my own cat, my own table.
Yeah, you grew up and like, that's not how I'm gonna live my life.
Down with Vader's castle. All right, on the 24th day of Christmas.
Yeah.
My true love gave to me.
Oh.
Darth Vader. We got Darth Vader. He's got like his little Death Star Christmas sweater.
You just knocked all the pieces off the table. Like, get out of here, Vader.
Stop it!
There is Darth Vader's outfit. He has this little sweater, which is so funny. Oh, there's a cape. Did we put the cape on?
Where's what cape?
Well, like Ashley said, we unfortunately got no cape.
The last day of Christmas, Goober. We're almost done.
Oh yeah, it says 24 gifts.
Oh, so Darth Vader was the last one. I forgot. There's only 24. The 25th is Christmas. So.
Yeah. Well, I guess what Darth Vader wants for Christmas is a cape. So here is our pile of extra pieces. I'm gonna build something out of it really quick. Well, I tried building something with all these parts, but a lot of them are little weird end pieces, so there's not much you can do. But
What did you do?
I just made some random little nonsense.
Help me.
Just help me. I shouldn't be alive.
I shouldn't exist, Joey.
So this was really fun to put together. Like Darth Vader, Luke, all the main characters, but I like those stormtroopers, they were really cool. Wow, the village looks so fun. You did a good job.
Thank you. We did it. It was teamwork.
Yay.
4 hours later.
That was a long process to build this Lego set.
But it was fun. This was nice. I thought this was going to be a quick video.
No,
I
no,
thought it
no.
was going to be real quick.
Follow La La Flight crew. This was a lot of fun, but it took a long time. I did a lot of editing if you're watching this right now. Pick one of these up. These are fun. This is really, really cool.
I think advent calendars are like going to be a huge hit this year because people are just staying home and trying to find whatever to entertain them for the holidays.
I hope you have better luck, or your kids have better luck building these, and I also hope that you get a Darth Vader cape with your Darth Vader Lego. But
You won't let that go, huh?
I won't let that go! Thank you, Flight Crew, for joining us today. That was a lot of fun. Happy Life Day. Have fun. Like and subscribe, and maybe we'll build more Legos in the future.
Bye!
Bye!
Oh no, the cat is attacking all their village.